Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about conditional formatting. So we have here a database of solar energy production. So it's going to be a bit difficult to look at a glance, all right, and identify those that are good and those that are bad. Okay, so conditional formatting will allow you to be able to do that at a glance. Conditional formatting is one of the most useful tools in Excel, and so what you can do is you go to the Home tab, the Styles group, and you select Conditional Formatting. So in this case, it would be useful to select color scale. Of course, you could hover over, you could use other things based on your whatever your needs are, even icon sets there are. Okay, so I would use color scale in this case, all right, so that we can see that the green are good and the red are bad, so we can straight away identify cell A on Saturday, cell D on Saturday as well, and etc. All right, so from here we can see cell E is relatively good, cell A is not so good. Right, so from here, okay, so this is one way of using it. Of course you could edit the rules further. Okay, so you go to the manage rule, all right, and then edit the rule. So you select which rule do you want to edit, you edit it. Okay, and you could change to whatever else that you would prefer. So for example, if I want this to be 4 and this one probably maybe 10. Okay, and I press OK, apply, and they will change accordingly. So not so much changes because I think the lowest is 4, but the highest, if you notice, anything above 10 will have the same color. All right, okay, thank you.